Good morning, students. Let us start chapter 3, Mathematic Class 5, Video 2. In this video, you will learn how two shapes and footprints can compare. The area of two shapes or footprints can be compared with the help of counting complete squares. If we will count complete squares, we can compare area. The shape which has more squares has more area, and the shape which has less complete 1 square centimeter has less area. So at the end of the video you will be able to compare two shapes with the help of counting complete squares in the shape. Find area of a shape by counting number of squares, and you will be able to count the squares for getting area. If some shape is there, what we can do, we just count complete square in the area so that we can find complete area of the shape. It may be footprint, it may be any closed shape, triangle. We can count area by counting number of complete squares. Okay, so let us start this lesson. Trace your hand on square sheet on the next page. So this is your hand, just trace this your hand on your page, and one on your friends or sisters or brothers hand. Okay, one your hand and one your friends, your brothers, your sister hands on page, and see who has covered more area. How can you find which has the more area? Let us see how can we do this. I have traced one hand, and now this is second hand. So which has larger area? I can't say. So what I can do? I can trace these lines on square sheet. Okay, now I have traced this hand expression on square sheet. Now what I need to do only? I need to count squares, complete squares, which has higher number of complete square has larger area. So I need to count only square. So let this is A, this hand is B. Now count complete area, complete squares. 1, 2, these are 2, 1 and 2. Only 2 complete squares are there. 2 complete square. Now see this. 1, 2, 3. This is also complete. 4. This is also complete. 5. So hand B has 5 complete squares. So area of complete square is 2 square centimeter. Area of complete square 5 square centimeter. Okay, so which has larger area? This hand has larger area, so this hand has bigger size. Okay, so how can we do this? Only counting complete squares. Okay, let us move forward. So you can do this at your hand expression. You can trace your hand and do this exercise. Now see, this is footprint of a tiger. So how many square centimeter is the area of this footprint? For this purpose, what I can do, I can count complete squares and I can tell this fast. Okay, so let us see how can I count the complete squares. Start from here. See this is complete. These three are complete. This one is complete. This one, two complete, and this only. So 1 and 3, 4 and 2, 5, 5 square centimeter. And now this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this 7, 8. 8 square centimeter. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 complete square, 6 square centimeter. 4, and maybe this complete 5. 5 square centimeter plus this one. 5 plus 1, 6. So this has 5 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6. 6 and 6, 12. 12 and 8, 20. And 5, 25 square centimeter. Okay. Now see this. How many complete squares are there? Starting from here. This box has complete squares. So let us count how many are these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in first video I tell you how to count the square. So 9 into 7, this 9 and this 7, 63 square centimeter. Now see other complete from here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 1 and 2, these two. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So 63. This has 63 plus 5. Here 1 is also complete. 5 and 1, 6. Plus here 8. Plus here 3. Plus down 2. Plus 12. Plus 2. So these many complete squares, this area has these many complete squares. Let us add 14, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 2, 16 plus 3, 19 plus 7, sorry, 8, 19 and 8, 17 plus 6, 23, 23 and 63, 63 plus 23, 336, 6 to 8, 86 square centimeter, and it is 25 square centimeter. This is 86, means total is equal to 86 plus 25. 6 and 5, 11, 1, 8 and 2, 10, and 1, 11. So 111 square centimeter. Okay. So what you can do, you can also see some more complete squares like this, and its area can be more. So I have taken exactly square, so area is this much. Okay. So trace this on your notebook and find complete square. Your answer may be different because you may draw some different shape, but only count complete squares. Okay. So let us move next. How many squares in me? How many squares in me? So these are some shapes we need to calculate. Write the area in square centimeter of this shape below. So we need to find the area of these shapes. Let us do. First A. If it is complete, then how many square centimeter area? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 threes are 4 into 3. 12 complete squares are there. Means this complete has 12 square centimeter area. This has 12 square centimeter area. But exactly we have half of this. We have half of this area. So what we can do? We divide it by 2. So this become 6. So area of this A triangle is 6 square centimeter. Okay. 6 square centimeter. Now see this A, this B. If it is started from here, it will finish here because this area is extra here. And if it is starts from here, it would have finished here. So what can be the shape of B? This will be the shape of B if it starts from the lines of square sheet. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 3 3s are 9. So this B has 9 square centimeter area. Okay, because it is complete, so complete 9 square centimeter area. So let us move for C shape. If I cut this portion and paste it here, so it would have become complete 1, 2, 3, 4 means C has 4 square centimeter. Okay, let us move towards D. D is here. If I cut this triangle and paste here, so this become complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So D has 6 square centimeter area. Okay, let us move towards E. If I cut this triangle and paste here, so from here to here, I have all the squares complete. This cutting is done so that this shape starts from the square sheet lines. So now I know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 into 4, that is 28. That is 28 square centimeter. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into 7. 7, 4. By counting complete squares, here 7 comes. By counting complete square here, 4 comes. So we multiply 4 by 7, 28 square centimeter. So let us move towards next shape. So see this, these fours are complete. This portion and this portion makes one complete. This portion and this portion make one complete. Again, like this one and this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are 4 complete. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 square centimeter. Okay, so in this way we can calculate the area of any shape by just counting 1 centimeter squares. So we have done like this. A, we know that 6 square centimeter. B, 9 centimeter. 6 square centimeter. B, 9 square centimeter. C, again 6 square centimeter. D, sorry, C is 4 square centimeter. C is 4. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So C is 4, D is 6 square centimeter. This E is 28 square centimeter. And F, F has 4 square centimeter. 4 plus 4, 8 square centimeter. Centimeter square. Okay. So in this way, we can find the area. So thank you for this video. I hope you like this video. But extra thing you need to see area of unit of unit of area. So unit of area is square centimeter. This can be written like centimeter square, or we can also write this centimeter square. So any way we can represent area. Okay. So this is end of this video. We will do next exercise in video number 3. If you like this video, hit like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Uh, we will meet in next video again for the same thing. We will count the area of shapes by counting squares. So till then, bye bye.